Today I'm reviewing this Red Earth 17-ounce stainless steel tumbler. I like that it has a threaded connection right here and this nice black finish. It's raised lettering right here. Feels good. Nice softest, and I like that it's smaller on the bottom so it should fit even some of our older car cup holders. Comes with two different lids, which are nice. This one has this simple close right here. And you can see it in here, you can pull it apart, and it has extra plastic right here, or rubber I mean, to help close it nice and shut, so it is locked in place so it shouldn't spill. Big springs, and I like that it's threaded, it doesn't just sit on. Also has this clasp right here that you can put on your backpack, and I like, or whatever, and I like that it's metal, not plastic. That is extra nice. Simply screws down onto the cup. Feels really good in your hand, not too big, for kids or people with smaller hands or something. This clasp also has a little locking spot, so it locks right into place right there. It's not going to jiggle all around. Another cool feature is the other locking lid on it has a tea filter. So you can simply undo this, fill this with tea leaves, and brew some tea to go as you want. That is really cool. You can see here is the filter right here to separate the tea leaves. And I think that's super neat. And then the spout is over here, so the tea's over here brewing. You can make cold tea or whatever in there. And then you have this spout, which again has this nice closure. Really cool design. Looking forward to making some tea with this. And you can also then get loose tea, so that can be more economical as well. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.